Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Pikes on a stability ball. All right, so the best way, this is very challenging, the best way to get into this position is to drape yourself over your ball, walk your hands out, and then bring yourself all the way out to where the ball is underneath your feet. We want our feet flexed. This is going to get our quads engaged. We're pushing the ground away as hard as we possibly can through our hands all the way to our upper backs. My squeezing my abs here, which makes it very difficult to talk. And then we are going to pike up. So our upper body is going to go towards the ground as our legs stay completely straight. And now here I am inverted, ears by the shoulders or by the biceps. And then legs are squeezing in, butt up in the air, coming back down, flat body. Again, working biceps biceps by the ears, and then straight. So getting inverted on every rep. So for more very challenging total body exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.